Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw over T-Rex surprise fold. So I'm gonna take a regular piece of paper like this and fold it up, and you'll have the surprise fold. It's really fun. It's gonna be easy. I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing, and that's it. So let's get started. I'm gonna fold this paper in half immediately. Like so. And then I'm going to fold it back here just a bit. Oops. Right here. Fold it back. Like that. Now it should be something like this that you have to work with. If you want, just for reference, you can... I mean, you don't really need to right here, so I don't really need to fold it. So yeah, if something like this should be fine. That's a good idea. Just kind of remember where the line goes. But we're gonna start it with closed. So let's get it started here. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I'm gonna do a lot of these in the next coming months, so you don't want to miss it. Let's get started, okay? I'm gonna start over here in the front area, and over here I'm gonna start with the front of the snout of the T-Rex. And I'm gonna pull up just a bit, not too far, not as far as you would think. Up over here, in a little bit. Pulling back just a bit until I hit the top of the eye. It's gonna be the brow. Continue here after the brow, down. It's kind of this crest in the back of the head over here. And then I'm going to go over here to the top of the back of the neck. Pull a line down for the top of that, for the eye. Up, down. Circle here for the pupil and iris. Down over here. And I'm gonna fill this in on this side. Leave a highlight there. Wiggly line right here, which is kind of like some shape on the top of the snout. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna kind of draw it through now. Now we're going to go through the bottom here. Pulling back. Curve. And over here I'm gonna curve a few lines here for the bottom of the neck. And it's gonna go downward ultimately. Pull line here for maybe like the vein or the color differentiation. And maybe pull line up. It has like a muscular jaw. And over here I'm gonna pull like another line over here, kind of in the back. It kind of has ears on that side. If you want, you could throw some small spikes here on the back. And then I forgot, way at the front over here, way at the front, go do the nostril. Okay. So let's open them up. Open up the paper. And I'm going to go right here from the top, and I'm going to pull the jaw downward. Just a bit, not too far. You could pull it way down if you want. I guess you could do it more. Curve underneath like so. Up. Just kind of this dipping here in the front here. And then one more time here. Be careful about the line. Don't go past this line. Don't go past it. So it's going to be up here, but you have to keep in mind where it's going to cut off. Go down here. And I'm going to pull up here on this jaw from the bottom up there. I'm going to curve it in there. It's got that open mouth. Line over here, line over here. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to draw the teeth now. The teeth are just triangles. Right there. 1, 2, 3. Up here, up here, up here. Here, up here. If you want, you can throw a curved line here for that skin that lizards have. Throw a few lines in there. They have some skin there when they open their mouth. Let's go to the over here and do the teeth on the top. It's more or less just triangular shapes again as well. Alright, let's throw the tongue over here. And we want to make it kind of humorous, so let's put like a dinosaur like in there, like a small dinosaur that's trying to escape. So right here, I'm going to go over here and curve for the back. We're going to put like a baby Diplodocus or something. Over here, the tail. Down here for the foot. Curve up here. Down here for the other foot. Let's say foot going forward on that one. And then like the foot over here. Let's pull up. For the neck, it's going to be long. Curve. And then pulling back underneath there. Put like a circle there. You're like, oh no. It's gonna a little gruesome, but you know, it's just circle of life, guys. And if you really want, you can throw a couple of teeth here for the back of the mouth there. We can fill that in with dark here. If you want to add some detail over here into maybe the tongue, draw a line underneath there, or you can draw maybe some detail into him, like a smile or something, or you can draw like little patches of color here on his back, or the nails on his feet. That'll be pretty good. All right. And if you want, you can throw some lines over here on the how it opens up over here, the mouth. Maybe draw some texture here. This one you can do everywhere on the skin. And that's pretty much it. Let's jump into color. That's it. Thank you so much. Over here, let's see, right here. Opens up, boom, got that guy inside. Thank you so much. Share the video if you have time, and don't forget to check out the playlist, and don't forget to hit the the announcements after this. All right, talk to you later. Let's jump in.
So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare. And that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.